Hey everyone, my name is Kulas and today I will be shoveling almost 3 feet of snow. It has not snowed this much in a number of years, and this is the first time that I've experienced a snowstorm this bad as well. So, if you want to see how we do it, how we shovel that amount of snow in Canada, stay tuned. By the way, these are some of the things that I dislike, if you may call it that, in Canada. It is so cold during winter and you have to shovel every time it snows. So this is almost 30 minutes amount of work. It's 3 feet high. I have it cleaned. Shovel this up. See that? This one is high. It's almost 3 feet. My kids are having fun. Here, say hi.
Hello.
Kaka. Day 2 of shoveling. So they have plowed through the streets. So most of the ice on the streets are now covering our driveway. So I have to remove that. Let's go. So after day 2, this is what I have cleaned. I've opened up the driveway. I have to work on this. So I just came from bringing my daughter to school. Day 3, and I'm still going to unbury my car. I'm gonna show it to you later. So after 1.5 hours, I was able to clean this up a little. Later I'll be adding salt. Adding salt here. So that's the end of my shoveling journey. I don't want to do it anymore. I hope it doesn't snow that much again in this lifetime. My friend said that this is the first time she experienced this in 40 years. So I hope it doesn't happen again in my lifetime. But if it happens, at least I know how to shovel. My back is aching. I'm so tired. I have to go to work after this. So thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.